Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will see how we can convert our Amazon gift card to cash. So for that, you need to open up your Amazon Pay account by going into your Amazon account. And after that, you need to scroll down and then you'll be able to find this option of add a gift card. Just click on it and use your gift card number or the code to add it to your balance. And after that, after adding it to your balance, you'll be able to see this in this balance into this area of Amazon Pay balance, but you won't be able to withdraw it. So what we will do is we will go to our Play Store, and in Play Store search for this option of Save Gold, and what you have to do is just download this application and then purchase the gold using Amazon Pay balance. And after that, you need to sell that particular gold and convert that amount, and that amount will be sent to your bank account. And this is the way that you can use to convert your Amazon gift card to cash. And you will be required your bank card details, and make sure that you don't fill up any wrong details into it. And after that, you'll be able to convert it to your cash. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.